Welcome to another HobbyInsider.net box break. Today we are opening a box of Topps Baseball Series 1 that just got sent to us from Clay at Topps, and we really appreciate Clay sending these up to us for a review. In this box we have 36 packs, 10 cards a pack, so we're going to have to get through this fairly quickly just because of our time limit. We are looking for Barry Bonds Home Run History, Mickey Mantle Tribute cards, baseball card history, some potential of replica mini jerseys, year in reviews, the All Rookie Team 50th Anniversary cards. Actually, I don't think we get those. I think they're just for the hobby scorers, but I might be wrong. And Campaign 2008 cards, as well as cut signature cards. Some of you might have seen the cards, or the Hillary Clinton card that went on eBay a little while ago. I think it was a ton of money. It was around $3,000 if I remember right. So let's get into it, see what we get. There's the design of the card. Nice clean white design around the edges. Alright. And we have a game review there of Mark Reynolds from the Arizona Diamondbacks. I was going to say Cardinals there for a second. That's the wrong sport. And Mike Piazza. It's really nice, clean design for the base cards. So always like to see that. Sometimes you open up cards and can't even read the names of the players at times. So Carco, Dice K. There's one of the presidential campaign cards, John Edwards. One of the inserts. Topps All-Star Rookie card. Help vote to select the all-time rookie team. Topps.com. For those of you that may not know anything about Hobby Insider, we are a online trading and discussion community, focusing on sports cards primarily, but we do have an autograph section for in-person and through-the-mail autographs, as well as in-person autographs, and we have a couple small forums on non-sports as well as comic books. So just a little insert about kids and students working. Oh crap, that's never good. I have a bent card or two in this one. Oh well. First time for everything. It doesn't look too bad. So yeah, check us out definitely at HobbyInsider.net. Sign up, have a look around, and we do. There's a Mickey Mantle card. One of the tribute cards. We do baseball, football, basketball, hockey, and a bit of racing, a little bit of other sports such as golf and tennis. Not a lot, but that's okay. Manny Ramirez. And Own the Game, Mike Lowell, Boston Red Sox. Nice little shiny card there. Perez, Duffy, Escobar. 50th anniversary, there we go. It's one of the 50th anniversary cards. Matt Holliday of the Rockies. Nice little design. And that looked like an insert. Oh, it's a rookie card. Dustin Pedroia, AL Rookie of the Year. Card has got a gold script on it, so just to make sure we get through this, we're going to do 2 packs at a time here. Okay. Church, Buell, Barton, Lynn Stairs, Roger Clemens, those 2 packs, we got Prince Fielder, another Own the Game card, and we've got Jason Isringhausen. And that is numbered out of 2008. At the bottom corner there. Okay, so let's see what else we come across. Now, my understanding is that Topps Series 1 has been out for 57 years. So, congrats to Topps for staying in there for 57 years in a row. That's fantastic. There's a couple of cards we'll go through in a sec. The Mickey Mantle. Alright, so these 2 packs, we got a Jason Ellsbury. It's one of the trading card history cards, copying the 1969 Topps design. That's quite nice. Another Mickey Mantle. 50th anniversary Billy Wagner, Houston Astros. 50th anniversary card. And we have Grady Sizemore, Sports Thrills Highlights of the World Series. And that is a takeoff of the 1948 baseball card.